Hello, my dears! It's the next series for our daily yoga. Are you ready? Today, it's all about washing your clothes, or if you're in the kitchen and you're washing your vegetables or fruits, or you're cutting something for eating, then this is also a beautiful idea to combine it there. So feel free to lift up your right leg. And just feel in the stretch of your right leg, of your right hip. How does it feel here? You can continue washing your food, washing your clothes, but feel in the stretch. And change your leg. Even go deeper into it. If you feel it, go into it. And combine it. It's like whatever you do, it's all coming back to you. So really go into your stretch, go into the movement, enjoy it. Who said we are not able to be multitasking? I believe we can do. If we set a goal, we can go for it. Don't forget to close the tab. Namaste.